Hi everyone, we just wanted to give you a quick run through on how to operate the Jamec Pem Electrical Reel, just so you can see some of the features of the lock-off function that it actually has and the thermal switch operation as well. I'm going to show you quickly just how you can listen for the clicks, so you're going to hear when the locking mechanism is actually engaged. So as you can see, that's now locked off and in position. So if you just continue to pull, you will continue to hear the click system engage, but you can go through that to lock it off. If you do want to go longer, you just continue to pull until you hear those clicks. Once you've purchased and unpacked your Jamec Pem Electrical Reel, what you'll need to do is fully extend the entire cable out of the reel, and then you will see that there's a button inside on the reel. All you need to do is press this red button once, just so you engage it, and you're ready to go.